Hello everyone, this is Surit Ghosh. Welcome to Part-3 once again. First, I wish to all my viewers Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year. Today, I am going to explain the classification of computer. Computer basically classified in three categories: analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. Again, the digital computer are classified in four categories, and they are supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputers. Microcomputer are again classified in different categories like desktop, laptop, notebook, palm top, etc. So first start with the analog computer. Analog computer is a type of computer which continuously variable in aspect of physical phenomenon such as electric potential, fluid pressure, or mechanical motions, which represented in a way analogous to its corresponding quantities present in the problem to be solved. Analog computers were widely used in scientific and industrial applications. Even after the advent of the digital computer, as they are typically much faster, but nowadays it become obsolete, although it remains in use in some specific applications such as flight simulators, teaching control system in universities, etc. Pascaline, Stebregner are the examples of analog computer. Now I come to the point of digital computer. Digital computer is a type of computer which are capable of solving the problem by processing the information in discrete form. It operates on the data, including the magnitude, symbols, and letters that is represented in the binary code. That means using only two digits, that is 0 and 1, where 1 means on and 0 means off. These type of computer are able to understand the machine language. Most of the computer we used in today are the digital computer. Now the hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are the computers that exhibits all the features of analog and digital computers. The analog computer are extraordinarily fast since they are able to solve the most mathematically complex equations at the rate at which a signal travels to a circuit, which is generally a appreciable fraction of speed of light. But the precision of analog computer is not good. On the other hand, the digital computer can be made to build to solve the equation to almost unlimited precisions, but quite slowly compared to the analog computer. For this reason, the digital component present in the hybrid computer serve as a controller and provides logical and arithmetic operations, while the analog component often serve as a solver of differential equations and mathematically complex equations. This type of computer mainly used in health sector, such for blood pressure measurement, heartbeat reading, for any variety of work. ECG or electrocardiograph machine is the example of hybrid computer. Now I come to the point of digital computer. Digital computer again classified in supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer. So first I am going to explain the supercomputer. Supercomputer is a type of computer with high level of performance as compared to the general purpose computer. Such computers have been used primarily in scientific and engineering work require exceeding high speed computations. The performance of supercomputer is commonly measured in floating point operations per second instead of million instructions per second. Supercomputer plays an important role in the field of computational science and used in the wide range of computational intensive tasks in various fields such like quantum mechanics, weather forecasting, climate research, oil and gas exploration, molecular modeling, cryptology, etc. Supercomputers were introduced in the mid of 1960s, and for several decades the fastest were made by Seymour Cray at Data Control Corporation, Cray Research, and subsequent companies bearing his name. Cray 1, Cray 2, Param 2000 are the example of supercomputer, where Param 2000 is the first supercomputer made in India. Now I come to the point of mainframe computer. Mainframe is a high performance computer with large amount of memory and processors that process billion of simple calculations and transactions in a real-time system. The mainframe is critical to commercial databases, transaction servers, and the applications that require resiliency, security, and agility. Mainframe computer is in large but as not large as compared to the supercomputer and has more processing power than the other classes of computers such as microcomputer, workstation, servers, personal computer. The term mainframe derived from the word large cabinet called mainframe that housed with central processing unit and main memory of early computers. Later the term was used for distinguish between the high-end commercial computer from low performance machines. IBM Z series are the examples of mainframe computers, where Z15 model was launched in the year of 2019 by IBM Corporation. Hewlett-Packard or HP companies mainframe systems known as non-stop. Now I am going to explain the mini computer. Mini computer is a type of computer that possesses all the features and capabilities of a large computer but is smaller in physical size. A mini computer is smaller than the mainframe computer but larger than the microcomputer. The mini computer mainly used in small or mid-range servers, operating business and scientific applications. Mini computers are often called as mid-range computer. It is emerged in the mid of 1960s and were made by or first developed by the IBM Corporation. These computers are generally developed or designed for business applications and services that requires the performance and efficiency of a mainframe computer. Mini computer may contain one or more processors and support multiprocessing, multitasking, and multi-user facilities, and are generally resilient to high workload. Although they are smaller from mainframe and supercomputer, the mini computer has more processing power than the workstations and the personal computer. IBM AS400E, Honeywell 200 are the examples of mini computers. Now the microcomputer. Microcomputer is an electronics device with a microprocessor as its central processing unit. The microprocessor term was commonly used as personal computer. Microcomputer uses a single microprocessor as its CPU, which perform the logical and arithmetic operations. The system also contain number of associated semiconductor chip that serve as a memory that can store programming instructions and data and act as an interface for exchanging data with the peripheral devices like keyboard, mouse, video, printer, etc. The earliest microcomputer marketed in the mid of 1970s but has to be began used widely in the 1980s. The high performance microcomputer system began to be used in engineering, in industry, in offices, in business purpose, in various fields. Now come to the laptop. Laptop or notebook computer is a small and portable personal computer with a small display screen and with a alphanumeric keyboard. A laptop combines of all input-output components and capabilities of a desktop computer, including a display screen, small speaker, storage device unit, sometimes often optical disk drive, keyboard, pointing devices like touchpad, pointing sticks. Most of the modern laptop features integrated webcam, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, inbuilt microphone, and many also have a features of touchscreen. The laptop either can be powered from an internal battery source or from external power supply from an AC adapter. As the portable computer evolved into laptop, so they were become widely used in various purposes. So these are the classification of computer. In the next video, I am going to discuss with a new topic. Till then, keep watching the rest of the other videos of this channel. Bye bye and have a good day.